EnviroVigil is an organization striving to create awareness amongst people about the environmental issues. The organization wants to encourage people to translate this awareness into action. With this in mind, a theme park was developed, Ankur Theme Park. Ankur means seedling and theme park is like a showcase. Welcome to Ankur. You will see various procedures and projects here. This project showcases various solutions for conserving environment. It can be replicated at different places. Some of the things you learn here you can put to use in your day-to-day life and help protect the environment. This is the section of medicinal plants. Medicinal plants have been important to mankind. Increasing knowledge of metabolic processes and the effect of plants on human physiology has enlarged the range of application of medicinal plants. These plants are used in medicine to treat specific conditions and ailments as well as maintain health physically and mentally. Ankur Medicinal section is developed with a view to motivate people to cultivate medicinal plants. It is beneficial to cultivate medicinal plants wherever possible. This is far better than collecting the plants from wild as it is resulting in an over-exploitation of natural resources. The next project is biocomposting. Compost is an organic material that can be used as a medium to grow plants. It is created by combining organic food waste, leaves, etc. in proper proportions. The presence of microorganisms accelerates the breakdown of organic materials to produce manure. By using compost, we reduce the use of fertilizers. It is also cost-effective method. This is rainwater harvesting project. Rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and deposition of rainwater for reuse before it reaches the aquifer. In short, catching water where it falls. Here we see pipes collecting water from the rooftop to the tank and through the sand filter to the reservoir. We use this water to water the plants, wash vehicles, utensils, and refresh aquifers. It is advantageous when the water supply is restricted or when there is water crisis. Demand for water is growing in most cities. What you see here is a biogas plant. This is a waste management system with a useful byproduct. Biogas refers to a mixture of gases like methane and carbon dioxide produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. It is used as a fuel. Biogas can be produced from regionally available raw materials such as organic waste or cooked food and domestic sewage. It is a renewable energy source. The residue obtained from the process of making biogas can be dried and used as a fertilizer. This is the vermicomposting section. It is a process of using worms and microorganisms to turn organic or vegetable waste into a black, earthy smelling, nutrient-rich fertilizer. It ensures faster composting. Earthworms are pink slimy creatures. They are called the intestines of the world. They eat and digest the farm waste. The worm castings or the vermicompost is the end product. Using earthworms to convert organic waste is an ecologically safe method that leads to an environmentally safe product. There are no harmful chemicals and it does not need to be mixed with anything. The most significant benefit is that the nutrients in earthworm compost are easily absorbed by the roots of the plants. What you see here is the vermi-wash. It is the byproduct of the process of vermicomposting. It can be collected at the bottom of the pit. It is a very good pesticide and serves as good foliar spray. Here we see the organic farming section. Organic farming is a method of farming system that relies on techniques such as green manure, crop rotation, compost, and biological pest control. At Ankur, farmyard manure, vermicompost, and biopesticides are used to cultivate trees. Organic farming discourages exposure to pesticides and chemicals. It builds healthy soil, helps combat erosion, reduces carbon dioxide, increases biodiversity. Organic farming methods combine scientific knowledge of ecology and modern technology with traditional farming practices based on naturally occurring biological processes. This is shade house. Shade houses are simple structures built for the purpose of partially blocking the sunlight and heat to facilitate plant growth. It is a structure which is covered in woven material to allow sunlight, moisture, and air to pass through the gaps. The material and the mesh size help control the temperature and humidity in the shade house. The plants are kept here for some time before planting them into the soil. This is a project suited for urban population. This is terrace garden. It is a garden on any concrete surface. The main feature of the garden is there is no soil in the beds. The waste is composted in the brick beds to make a sheet mulch. After it settles down, it is ready for small kitchen garden. Mrs. Kavita Valavalkar of EnviroVigil explains the purpose of Ankur Theme Park.
Right now I am standing at Ankur Theme Park, which we have developed to create the relation between students, between this young generation and nature. And now we try to relate these new generation, these students to the nature. We are creating a green bond between them.
School and college visits are arranged to educate the students and create awareness about our environment amongst them.
I'm Meghna Chandran. I'm a lecturer with PVP SNDT Juhu. For the past 4 years, we have been bringing our students here to EnviroVigil and Ankur Theme Park. This has been really benefited and beneficial for the students. They also get a lot of information about the Ankur Theme Park, the projects that are carried out here. So it's a overall very good experience for the students. They get to know a lot about the environment. So we are really thankful to the EnviroVigil team for carrying out these projects and educating our students.
The Apla Paryavaran Green Shoppe is the latest project started a year back. The objective of the shop is to provide a platform to self-sustaining NGOs making eco-friendly products and to reach out to larger masses. These are Vada products as gifts and showpieces. There are natural and herbal agarbattis, degradable and disposable plates and bowls made from the waste of supari tree, and stationeries like files and notepads made from banana fiber. These are artifacts made from waste pine wood with Warli painting on them. Ms. Purnima Bhosle conducts green career courses like waste management through organic farming, home gardening, energy conservation, water conservation, and magic bucket. Kandi Kolsa workshop has attracted many individuals interested in green career. As the name suggests, Kandi Kolsas are coal sticks which are made from wet waste It is used as a fuel. This is the most popular of all the projects at Ankur. This is the magic bucket. The magic lies in converting household wet waste into a manure. It is easy to maintain the bucket. An exhibition of all the projects is on display at Ankur with case studies in and around Thane. Do visit Ankur Theme Park to learn about these projects.